Hello and welcome back to another video. It's the first Halloween on the homestead and we are going trick-or-treating, and I wanted to make a cute little fall Halloween vlog for you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. My mom is making my baby's Halloween costume. She's gonna be a little lamb. And this is the, what do you call it?
This is the pattern. These are the pattern pieces. This will be for the hat. That's one. And then I have to copy. See, this is the other side of the, you have to make two of these.
What is this? Oh,
this is one side of the hood. See how you cut it out?
That's
the hood.
This is so cool.
That's the back. Look how big it looks like it's going to be. Here's the other foot. This is the top. This is the pattern piece for the, what's that say? The upper foot.
That is so
Here's
cool.
this is the upper cuff that we did. Remember that cuff?
It is so
this,
awesome that you're doing that.
So this goes to that. This is the, I need to cut out another lower foot. Yes, I need another lower foot. There's the bottom
and
pattern.
It's such a cute little outfit.
That's the bottom to the foot, to the little booty. And then this is, oh, here's the little hood ear. Yes, we gotta make those yet.
Good job, Nana.
So this is my pattern piece. This is my leftover fabric.
Very cool.
Okay, I gotta make up. Where's my bottom foot? Look, these are scraps. I'm down to scraps. Yeah, I think this is the one I did for the hood. I'm just gonna make it work. One here. One here. Okay, I better pin that up. I'm gonna put one here and one here. And then you just have to attach it, pin it together.
And then you just cut that out.
And then you cut it out, yeah.
These two. Oh, you just need to do within these.
See, yeah. But see all this right here? You're actually supposed to make a dart in it.
That means where you
That
fold
you
it?
punch it, yeah, fold it together. So that it'll make it smaller. So you do, I bet you do that ahead of time. You do that, that's probably one of the first things you do. So I gotta make two of these, one for each side.
I'm making spooky spaghetti eyeball meatballs, and I'll put a little mozzarella pearl and a caper for the eye. Cute.
Yummy, hon.
It's gonna be
I didn't know. You didn't tell me that you ate eyeballs.
Hot dog. See, now that we live on a farm, we gotta go a couple streets over to find the trick-or-treaters. We're going trick-or-treating. Say, come on, Papa. You gotta keep up. I've got my electric bike. You've got your Papa powered bike. It's beautiful out. Got my little lamb back there. We gotta ask some of these farms if they have any milk for sale. Look at all these birds.
There will be.
I hope there will be. You think we're too early or too late?
I think for young kids, they probably start now, right?
I would think so. God, this is so beautiful out here.
What kind of cow is that?
A Holstein.
Oh, really?
Maybe. I want to find some milk.
I know.
Look at these beautiful rolling hills.
Good job.
You guys say trick or treat. Yeah, hon. Oh, look at these silly things. Oh my goodness.
What? What?
Yeah, good job, baby. Say trick or treat. The cake pops came out great. But I mean, honestly, they're delicious. Spooky spaghetti. Our Halloween dinner. There's eyeballs in our spaghetti. Halloween dinner. Spooky.
Is that good?
Yeah. This came out so cute.
I know. I didn't realize you were gonna put like another little thing, so I thought like it wasn't really gonna look like it.
It's the pupil that makes it.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like spaghetti is such a Halloween dinner. Spaghetti with a cup of milk.
Yeah. So what did y'all used to do when you were little on Halloween?
Why don't I remember?
Yeah, you've
That's
said
like the blackout
You've
years.
said that you don't remember.
I literally don't.
What's your first Halloween memory?
I have like an early memory, like walking down the street when I was like a little girl. I feel like I was Pocahontas. What's your like earliest Halloween memory?
Trick or treating, for sure. Like, you know, all of us together. You know, remember being cold?
Did you go like in your entire, like your whole neighborhood? Did you try to go to like, I mean you couldn't go to every house, right?
We stayed on kind of our side. But we definitely like went to a lot. We definitely walked around our whole side.
She liked it.
And then as I got a little older, then we started going like to the other half of the neighborhood was like slightly newer, and that was called Yorktown. Was the name. So let's go to Yorktown.
When you were older, you did that?
Well,
Put a little. First of all, they're pink.
yeah. Why?
I don't know.
Wow! Look at these cake pops Mama made.
Well. What's wrong with that? Is it? I mean, surely it's good.
That's good.
Thank you so much for watching our first Halloween here on the homestead. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.